Hi friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me present before you a new Ayurvedic plant, Cassia Fistula. Cassia Fistula is known as amalthus. It has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicines for a variety of medicinal purposes, including treating skin diseases, liver problems, and diabetes. It is also used for its antipyretic, means fever reducing, and anti inflammatory properties. Additionally, some studies suggest its potential as an antiviral agent. Here are some of the detailed uses of Cassia fistula. In our traditional language, we call it as kakke oo. You can see beautiful ornamental yellow flowers on the roadside, hanging both sides of highways. Look very beautiful. So traditionally in skin diseases, Cassia fistula has been used to treat various skin conditions, including skin eruptions and ringworm. The dried bark powder is used in cases of leukoderma, a skin condition causing loss of pigment. Liver and digestive health. It is traditionally used for liver problems, jaundice, and fatty liver. The fruit pulp acts as a mild laxative and helps with constipation. There are many other uses. Cassia fistula is used in traditional Indian medicine to help manage diabetes. It has antipyretic properties and is used to reduce fever. So, the plant is used as a fever reducing agent. Antiviral. Some research suggests its potential as an antiviral agent, particularly against certain viruses. Anti inflammatory. It is known for its anti inflammatory properties, helpful in conditions like gout and rheumatism. Antifungal and antibacterial. Studies have shown that Cassia fistula extracts have antifungal and antibacterial effects. Antioxidant. It's a source of antioxidant which can help protect against cellular damage. Worm infestation. The leaf decoction or juice is used to treat worm infestations. It is important to note that Cassia fistula has a long history of use in traditional medicine. It is important to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using it for any medicinal condition, especially if you are taking other medications or have any underlying health issues. So, thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Your each like will motivate me to come out with more such amazing videos. Thank you.